sweet angel, tempting me with your seductive smile, hiding the danger of your being. Last we met, you lost me in a crowd of painted faces. And now, Moscow, Paris, Tangier. Where are you, my little princess, huh? What man are you bringing to his knees? All I wanted was to own the world, and you just had to go and try to change it, destroying my dream. I see you. I warned you, but you didn't listen. So now, it's time. Bring your best game. Because tonight, you and I are dancing a vicious dance. It takes a special woman to fight your fight. Oh, I can sense the adrenaline building in your veins, as it does in mine. I feel it. I'm ready. Are you?
Big fat bass, the big fat